So, the next time raindrops fall, let us pause and reflect upon the spiritual teachings it carries, reminding us of our connection to the Creator and His boundless love for His creation. Welcome to my thoughtful one to one conversation, where we together will explore the beautiful teachings of our religion and their significance in our daily lives. In today's episode, we delve into the concept of rain as a symbol of God's blessing in Islam. Rain holds a special place in Islamic tradition, connecting us to the divine mercy and grace that shower upon us. Join as we unravel the spiritual significance of rain and its deep rooted connection to our faith. The Quranic perspective. In the Holy Quran, rain is frequently mentioned as a manifestation of Allah's blessings and mercy. It is highlighted as a sign of His providence and care for all of creation. Verses such as Surah Al-Mu'minun 23:18 emphasize how rain is a means of sustenance and an essential element in the process of growth and cultivation. Rain as a symbol of life and abundance. Islam teaches that rain is not merely a natural phenomenon but a divine gift. It symbolizes the cycle of life and abundance. From the barren earth spring forth lush greenery and vibrant crops, reminding us of Allah's generosity and His power to bring life from lifelessness. Reflection and gratitude. Rain serves as a powerful reminder for believers to reflect upon the bounties and blessings bestowed upon them. It calls us to express gratitude for the sustenance and provisions we receive through the rain, acknowledging that it is a gift from Allah. Expressing gratitude deepens our connection with the divine and cultivates a sense of appreciation for all His blessings. Purification and spiritual cleansing. Rain carries a purifying effect, both physically and spiritually. Islam emphasizes the importance of cleanliness and purity, and rain plays a significant role in washing away impurities from Earth's surface. Symbolically, rain also serves as a metaphor for spiritual cleansing, purifying the hearts and souls of believers. Seeking rain's blessings. Throughout Islamic history, seeking rain's blessings through supplication and prayer has been a common practice. Communities would gather in congregation beseeching Allah for rain during times of drought and scarcity. This act of collective prayer demonstrates the unity and reliance of believers upon their Creator. A reminder of Judgment Day. Islam teaches that rain is also a reminder for the day of judgment. Just as rain falls indiscriminately upon both the righteous and the unrighteous, the consequences of our actions in this life will be revealed in the hereafter. Rain urges believers to strive for righteousness and reminds them of their ultimate accountability. The lessons we learned from the six highlights. As Muslims, we are encouraged to recognize the significance of rain as a divine blessing and a reminder of God's mercy and providence. It invites us to ponder upon the signs of Allah's creation and be grateful for the countless blessings bestowed upon us. I hope this episode has deepened your understanding and appreciation for this beautiful phenomenon. Remember to stay tuned for more inspiring discussions rooted in the teachings of Islam.